Hey everybody, I want to share with you Granola AI, the notepad that really has it right for this new era of building automations, workflows, and AI context, in this case with your meeting notes and more. We're going to see 3 demos. One will be how to just drag your meeting notes into a folder to trigger Zapier automations. Another will be how to chat with a bunch of meeting notes in a folder so you can get caught up and ready for an upcoming meeting or get more context from that folder of meeting notes. And third, I'm going to plug Granola into Claude Desktop and send those notes to Gamma and see if I can build a presentation. Granola AI is a sponsor, but I'm really excited about this product. All right, so in this first example, we're going into the Granola AI app and into a folder in that app, and we're going to chat with the collection of meeting notes in that folder. And why is this important? Context is really important as we move forward with AI as a team or even as an individual, in having a folder full of meeting notes with that potential client. I quickly have context to chat with. So let's see how that pays off in this first example. So we're building up context around BrightPath, this fake company that I had a bunch of meeting notes made for. I can go back to and ask questions. So when we jump in the next meeting, I could maybe understand what's going on. You even have suggestions here, like list recent to-dos, where we can get all of that from the meeting notes. Maybe I'm jumping in a meeting and I can ask it to summarize what we covered last time. And again, this is for the whole team, and it's just perfect. But the really important thing here is this idea of recipes. So I could say, here's a recipe, and I could create a recipe that we share and use as a company and a team. And the important thing here is we're basically sharing prompts. We're sharing the way we do business, the way we do workflows. And so when we make these and get them really right, we can then reuse them again and again. So you saw a moment ago, I was able to extract data to make a quote. I could do that here as well. I could do follow-up meeting questions or whatever makes sense for your team. All right, in this next demo, things get a little bit more complicated as we take the files we drag into the Granola folders, and we have those trigger external automations. In this case, we're going to have it trigger Zapier. Then that will trigger a CRM tool called Attio. Why is this important? Is because you can start building these automations and they're simply triggered by dragging a file into a folder. And it shows you how this little extra work can pay off long-term for automating weekly, daily tasks. All right, so just to go over this, we have our folders here. I made a test one. And when I am done with a meeting, I could just drag it into that folder. Now what's going to happen is it's going to trigger a particular zap. I'm going to drag it here and we're going to click on that for a moment and you'll see there's an integration. And if we go to settings, we can see a lot of options here for integrations, even Notion, which is interesting. And I'm going to choose a Zapier one, and then it's going to take me to Zapier when it set it up to then finish the connection. Now, once that's done, I will get this particular feature in Zapier. Now, this is going to trigger a zap, basically. So if I go to that Zapier, Granola can be used as a trigger in Zapier. So you could go and say when a folder has a file added to it, then where I send that note to the agent to process the note. And then we see that this agent will read the note, it will get the transcript and other stuff there as well, the title. Once it gets all that information and processes it, it will return it to the next agent, which I then set up a meeting or a task in Attio. So from that one little drag in there, I now have a automation that's smart enough to know how to turn that meeting into a quote. And just to look really quickly at the document it created, yeah, with the right prompt and the right time, I could have had Granola with that one drag into this folder creating quotes for us. I do this with AI already, and this is 2 meetings a day, 3 times a week. Now it's just done for me. This is what's so important about these type of tools that integrate well and have automations and allow you to easily just optimize your workflows. All right, the final example will be using Claude Desktop. That's a different app. And you're going to see how we can connect Granola AI and so many other things into Claude Desktop, into that AI. Why this is important is because you start to see us using our data, our context from Granola AI in other systems, and then it can push that data into even other systems thanks to these connections. All right, let's look at this one. So here I am in Claude Desktop, and I started a chat, but you'll see here I connected the Granola connector. Now you can go to manage connections pretty easily and find all the connections. There's so many. Now, when you make that connection, you can start using those notes in this chat. Now, we already looked at how to chat with your notes, so I don't really want to show that. But I want to show how I could do something with these notes. I could send some emails. I could build up some calendar meetings. In this case, I'm going to just see what it does with Gamma, which is a way to make presentations. I'm just going to say, go do that. And while it does that, I'll just quickly say that we're taking data from Granola and moving it into anything that we want to. And that's what's really important here, that we can connect it to our other systems without any programming. This is just groundbreaking overall as we exist in this era of AI and more simple, friendly solutions to get your work done. All right, so it is done. Let's click this link and see what happens. All right, that's not bad. Of course, quality control counts. I'd have to read through this, but that's really neat. Just mind-blowing. All right, let's wrap it up and see what we learned today. So hopefully you can see from these examples that Granola AI can work in this new era for you and your team. Your notes really need to be context that you can use anywhere. So check it out. I'll drop the link below and support the channel by clicking that link and going to Granola and giving it a try. Thank you.